Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO K10x. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. I use this app multiple times and it always works. But first you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Now select Confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up. Allow in second pop-up. And following that wherever you want to in all those other ones. When you're done, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, and if you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up to continue. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip 1, and finally decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OPPO. Close an ad. Allow camera access in this pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. But my personal favorite is inputting this key. To do that, tap on Input key below, enter the key section. Simply type in all of those numbers before they expire and hit Receive button to connect right away. Then wait. Close ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!